One of the most important elements in HTML is image. Images can improve the design and the appearance of any website. So let me get started and see how we can create an image. So I will create 3 images. So here is an image tag, just start tag without end tag. Then src, like what we have seen in attribute lesson. Then the directory. So what is the directory? So the directory is the file that contain the image, and then the name of the image, and finally the type of the image, JPG or PNG or GIF. So the image that I want to add is, so here is a folder called pictures, and in the same folder with the document index. So here is the image, for example, kid, and here is the directory. So you can take this copy and paste it in the document, because the folder that contains the pictures and the document are in the same file image. So we have just to type the name of the folder and the name of the picture. So here the name of the folder is pictures, slash the name of the image, which is kid, then that the type of the picture. So the type of this picture is JPG. So let we save, but before we save, let we add the other attribute alt and equal to, let we type kid. So let we save and see if it's added or not. Nice. So here is the picture. If the directory is wrong, the alternative text will be appear. Then let we make another picture. So the name of this picture will be HTML and its type is PNG, and let me change the alternative text to be HTML_1, and then the second one will be HTML2, but this time the type will be GIF, and let we call it HTML_2. So let we save now and see. So here is the second picture, and finally the last one. Fabulous. So let we now specify the width and the height for those pictures. So for the first one, let we make the width equal to 200 pixels and the height equal to 70 pixels. And for the second one, make the width equal to 100 pixels and the height equal to 50 pixels. And the last one, so let me save and see. You might be asking now why they display horizontally instead of vertically like before. Because we changed the size. So before, the width for the first picture was large, and also the second one, so they can't display in the same line. So the browser shift the second picture to the second line, and so on for the third one. So if we want to display them vertically like before, we can put each one of them in paragraph tag, or we can use break tag. So here paragraph, and the same thing for the others. So now they display vertically. So the most common mistake that people do, so for example, if we change the position for this picture kid and take it from this folder and make it in this folder junk. So let me return back to the browser and reload. The picture disappear because now the directory is wrong. Let me now edit the directory. So the folder now that contain the picture is junk, not pictures. So let me save and see. Nice. And also let me try to make another picture in the same folder with the document. So for example, let me take this and paste it here to reload. So the picture now doesn't display. So let me edit the directory here. So now because the document and the picture are in the same file, so just we need the name of the picture and its type. So the name is HTML and its type is PNG. So let me save and reload. Nice. So here is the picture. So I hope you understand now the idea and how the directory is the key to create an image. So try to practice more and try to add pictures from other files and folders. So finally, there is a quiz. Try to make a picture and add a text. Describe this picture. Maybe this picture is about a movie or anything, and then add a text below to describe this picture. Good luck and see you.